Howdy Guam, it's your boy German from Cherry Auto Detailing. Today we got a 2016 Nissan 370z and we're going to make this video a start to finish video. So the first thing we're going to do is wash the vehicle, decontaminate, and prep the painted surface so that way we can set the stage up for paint correction / enhancement. So certain parts are going to be corrected and some certain parts are going to be enhanced. This is a white car. It's a 2016. Of course, there's wear and tear, but we're going to do the best we can to get it nice and looking in that like new condition. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in any of our services or need some information, head over to our website in the description below. Let's get this started.
So the first thing we want to do is perform the wheels, tires, and wheel wells. This is where we pretty much wash them, make sure they're free and clean as possible. Like I mentioned, this is a 2016 Nissan 370z, so there is accumulated brake dust on the inner wheel well. Everything is communicated with the customer, so we're going to try to clean and knock off as much as we possibly can. The type of chemical that we're using is Meguiar's non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. This is one of our go-tos. We dilute it from 5 to 1, and sometimes we use it straight up depending on the accumulation of brake dust or grime. After we're done doing the wheels, tires, and wheel wells, we are going to wash and foam bath the entire exterior. I did not capture that on camera, but instead I got the clay bar. So after we're done washing the vehicle and removing any loose debris with our foam bath and 2-bucket wash method, we're going to do a clay bar, and then we're also going to attack the door jambs. We want to make sure everything is as clean as possible so that way the ceramic coating can hold up to its full potential. Everything is within the prep, so if you don't have a good prep, then you can expect your ceramic coating not to last long. After we're done doing the exterior detail, we're going to perform the paint enhancement. We're doing a correction on the hood, roof, and trunk area because that's where it's mostly severed, and then we're gonna do a paint enhancement on the lower parts of the vehicle. Polish and compounds that we're using is Sonak's Perfect Finish and also Root. It's their medium grade polish. It's a yellow bottle, and then the pad that we're using, Orange Medium Cut by Lane Country.
It is day 2 and it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. The crew just got done doing the paint correction on the hood, roof, and trunk area, and also a paint enhancement on the rest of the body. And this customer also is going to get a 6-year coating from System X called Pro. That is a 6-year ceramic coating. It's going to be applied to all the painted surfaces. It's also going to receive a glass coating on the front windshield. And this customer also got a bonus where we applied PPF onto the headlights. This is going to be our new service that we're going to be launching towards maybe August of 2024. Hopefully, we'll see if God wills it, then it will happen. The results will be posted at the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your loved ones. And if you guys are interested in any of the products or products that we use in these videos, or maybe some products to help you detail your vehicle, check the description down below.
So before we apply System X Pro, which is a 6-year ceramic coating, we are going to wipe down the entire painted surfaces with Meguiar's Surface Prep. This is a panel prep to make sure we remove any oils or leftover polish from the paint enhancement. And this ensures that I have a good installation to make sure that your ceramic coating is properly bonding to the vehicle's clear coat. And it's a simple process, but it's time consuming. We do have to do this panel by panel, and depending on the size of the panel, we have to cut it in 2s, 4s, and 3s, depending on the size of how big the panel is.
All right, guys, we got done with the 2016 Nissan Nismo right behind me. This car is a beauty. Don't even look like a 2016. But anyway, just to recap what we did. So we did a 6-year ceramic coating on all the painted surface. We also applied it on the face of the rims. We installed paint protection film on the headlights, and we also applied a glass coating on the front of the windshield. And if you guys are interested in any of our services or any of the products being used, so that way you can detail your car, or if you're just interested in any of our services, our website, please check the description down below. All the information is there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and spread the word that Cherry Auto Detailing is located on Guam. And if you're interested in any of our services, give us a call.